Now we go to section F of exercise 3. Let us take the first question there. Obtain the regression line of the demand on price using the following information collected for the demand and the price of a commodity. Estimate the demand of the commodity if price is 40 rupees. There are two columns available, price and demand in 100 units. Okay, so let us start working out this question. Here you can see X and Y in two columns. X is 38, 36, 37 like that, and Y 12, 18, 15 and like that. And so let us find out the total. 335 is the sigma X and 127 sigma Y. From that X bar and Y bar are located. X bar is equal to 37.2 and Y bar 37.222. Y bar is 14.11. Okay, now we will go by, since these are not integers, we will go by UV method. U and V. U is equal to X minus A and V is equal to Y minus B. A we can take as 37, which is coming close to the mean, and B is taken as 14. And then we locate UV and U square. So those four columns are done. So you can just see those, and then further we go to the equation y cap is equal to A plus Bx, where B we have to first find out. B is equal to n sigma UV minus sigma U sigma V upon n sigma U squared minus sigma U whole square. That is being worked out here. 9 into minus 15 minus 2 into 1 upon 9 into 10 minus 4. So we get the answer as minus 1.59, that is B. Now A is equal to Y bar minus Bx bar, which is 14.11 minus 1.59 into 37.22, which is equal to 14.11 plus 59.18, and that therefore A is equal to 73.29. Now Y cap is equal to A plus Bx, that is 73.29 minus 1.59x, because 1.59 is at minus, that is why it is written minus, and x is given as 40, so Y cap is equal to 73.29 minus 1.59 into 40, which is finally equal to 9.69. Please write the unit in bracket if it is given in the question. Here it is 100 units in the question it's given, so we do it like that. So this is question number 1. Okay, now we proceed to question number 2. Here two columns are there, experience of worker in years and performance rating. Okay, so we have to take care in working out that sum. Here it is question number 2. So just see what is asked there. Accordingly, we have to work it out. We are asked to find out y on x, and when experience of the worker is performance rating is 100 units. What is the experience of worker? So that we have to find out. Performance rating based on the non-defective units they manufacture in every 100 units as follows. Performance rating, if a worker has an experience of 17 years. 17 years is the experience of what is the performance rating. That is what is asked here. So accordingly we have to work it out. Now please start doing it, all of you. Here we are just doing it. X and Y are given to you, 580 like that. So X total sigma X is 125 and sigma Y is 700. So x bar comes to 15.63 and y bar comes to 87.5. Once that is done, u and v we locate. U is equal to x minus, I have taken here 15, x minus 15, and v is equal to y minus 8. Okay, and then we work out u and v, then uv and u square. Okay, you can just do it according to what is seen here. Then we proceed further. The equation is y cap is equal to a plus bx. A plus bx is equal to, here b is to be found out, n sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon n sigma u squared minus sigma u whole squared. So when you work it out further, we will get a b as 0.90. Then a is equal to y bar minus bx bar, which is equal to 87.5 minus 0.9 into 15.63, which is equal to 73.43. So y cap we got, and further y cap 88.73 when x value is given as 70. Okay, 88.73 is in years, that is what is y cap. So we have to do it. It's performance rating actually, not in years, performance rating. So accordingly it is to be done. That is the point. Take up question number 3. Question number 3 is talking about daily income in expenditure and expenditure in rupees of 5 labor families earning by daily work. Okay, so here figures are in round figure. Okay, 200, 300, 400, 600, like that. So we have to see how that can be done. Take little care in doing it. Okay, and so we proceed further to question number 3. Question number 3 here, x and y we wrote as 200, 300, 400, etc. and 180, 270. First we located x bar, which is equal to 480, and y bar is equal to 370, 390 in fact. So 1950 upon 5, 390. Okay, then uv we find out u and v. Okay, here please see that first column, x column, has 2 zeros in all the digits towards the end, and so we take the denominator as 100 here. Okay, then v is equal to y minus 390 upon 10. Okay, accordingly it is done. uv, then u squared. Okay, now we further proceed. B is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma v upon n sigma u squared minus sigma u whole squared into cy upon cx. Okay, so it is to be done as 10 and 100 there, and then finally we proceed and we get the answer as b as 0.74. Then we proceed further to a is equal to 34.8. then we can write the equation 34.8 plus 74.74x. that is the answer. And when we are given x value as 500, we further proceed, and y cap is equal to rupees 404.8. that is the question. Okay, now question number 4, advertisement cost and sales survey. Also at the end it is given advertisement cost is 5 lakhs rupees, and what will be the sales. Please remember, advertisement is given in 10,000 unit, 10,000 unit rupees. So when you take 5 lakhs, how many 10,000s are there? 50 10,000s are there. So it should be taken as 50 there. Divide it by 10,000, you will get it. So 50 is to be multiplied later. That we have to take care. Now the fourth question is done like this. We write all those values, x, y, and then x bar and y bar are located. Then what we do, u and v. then uv u square. Okay, please see here when we do v, we are to remove the points here. Points are then 5.6, 5.8, etc. To remove it, we are multiplying it by 10. Okay, so with 10 we multiply, and that is cy, which is actually 1 by 10. Okay, so here we are multiplying by 10. Later in the formula it will be 1 by 10. Okay, further we proceed and see that y cap is equal to a plus bx. Here take little care. N sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon n sigma u squared minus sigma v dot u squared v sigma u dot squared into cy upon cx. Please see cy upon cx. Cy we are taking as 1 by 10 here, because we multiplied by 10 earlier, so we divide it by 10 here. So that is why 1 by 10 divided by, here cx is only 1 because we did not multiply it any number, so 1 only we write here, and then we proceed further, and so we get a y as b as a 0.13. Then a is equal to y bar minus bx bar. Okay, further proceed 3.73, and then we get the value replaced for x, and it is 50. So the final answer is 10.23 crores. 10.23 crores. That is question number 4. Okay. Now we have 3 more questions. See question number 5. In question number 5, what we are given? We are given number of contracts and annual profit in lakhs of rupees. Okay. The first column A is almost a small number, 2, 5, 9, 12, etc. And second column bigger number, 100, 300, 700, etc. So when you calculate UV, you have to take a little care there. Okay, we proceed to the question answer. Here we write x and y first, and then get the x bar and y bar calculations done. We are getting it here. X bar is 7 and y bar is 518.75. So it's not an integer, y bar, and therefore we have to apply UV method. U is equal to x minus 7 and v is equal to y minus 500 upon 50. To simplify the figures, we are doing that. Okay, see the figures are bigger for y, and therefore we just transform those figures, and so that is it. Then uv, u squared, v squared. V squared we are doing because r squared is asked here. Okay, so we proceed with that. Now y cap is equal to a plus bx, b is equal to n sigma uv minus sigma u, sigma v upon n sigma u squared minus sigma u all squared into cy upon cx. Okay, cy we are taking 50 because with 50 we divided there, so we are just doing that calculation here. Then cx is 1 only, so we proceed and we get b as 91.67. Then a is equal to y bar minus bx bar, so we get minus 122.94 as a. Now y cap is equal to a plus bx. Okay, a plus bx, when you do, we get it like this. So the equation is done like that. Okay, now we are asked to find out r squared. R squared is equal to same r squared which we have earlier learned in the previous chapter. Here the formula is n into sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon n sigma u squared minus sigma u dot squared into under root of n sigma v squared minus sigma v dot squared. Now since it's r squared, the whole square is done. See the square here on top. Then we work out. Okay, and to remove the square root down, what we do, we square both the sides, means numerator and denominator, and we get the value something like this. Okay, 1144 square upon 624 into 2159. When you work it out, this is the calculation, and we get r square as 9.97. 0.97 means there is high degree of linearity, and so that is our answer for r square here. So please just take care. Now we proceed further to question number 6. Okay, 6th question is, what is that? Obtain a regression line of y on x from the following data and estimate y for x equals 30. Okay, sigma x, sigma y, n, sigma xy, all these are directly given. So we just apply the equation here. Okay, that is what is required. So b is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n sigma x squared minus sigma x whole square. So 10 into 7900 minus 250 into 300 upon 10 into 6500 minus 250 the whole square. So we get as 1.6. A, b is equal to 1.6. A is equal to y bar minus bx bar, where y bar and bx bar we have to find out and do it. Y bar is sigma x, sigma y upon n, and x bar is sigma x upon n. So we locate it and work it out. So a also we get. Then y cap is equal to a plus bx. A is given in minus here, minus 10, so minus 10 plus 1.6x. Okay, therefore that is equal to minus 10 plus 1.6 into 30, that is y bar is equal, y cap is equal to 38. Okay, y bar and x bar are calculated here. So that is what is asked here. When x is 30, we get it as 38. That is the point here. So this is question number 6. And finally we proceed further to question number 7. That is the last question here. What is it written there? What is written there? The following results are obtained for a data n sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma xy. Later on it was known that one pair 10 and 14 was wrongly taken as 11 and 4. Correct value is 10 and 14, but we have taken it as for 11 and 4 wrongly, so we have to correct that. Okay, that means what? When a pair is wrongly taken, sigma x is going to be wrong here, sigma y is wrong, sigma x squared is wrong, sigma xy is wrong. So we have to find the correct values of all these measures and work out y bar, y cap. That is what is the question. So the question line we have to obtain. So wrong sigma x is equal to 30. Correct sigma x is what? Wrong sigma x minus wrong item plus correct item. So 30 minus 11. 11 is wrongly taken. So 11 is subtracted and 10 is added. So 29 is correct sigma x. Okay. Like that sigma y. So y5 minus 4 plus 14 is 15. So that is correct sigma y. And correct sigma x square is wrong sigma x square minus wrong square of item plus correct value of the item, means square value. So 670 minus 11 square plus 10 square, it is 649. Similarly, sigma xy 344 minus wrong pair of items 11 into 4 product plus correct item is 10 into 14. So those two are adjusted, and finally sigma xy is 440. Okay, then x bar and y bar are done. New value of x bar and y bar. Now we are in a position to work out this. Y cap is equal to a plus bx. Okay, b is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. So we work it out and we get the following result here. Okay, a is equal to y bar minus bx bar. We get it as minus 0.44. So we write a plus bx is equal to minus 0.44 plus 0.7x. When x is equal to 5, y cap is equal to 0.44 plus 0.70 into 5, which is equal to minus 0.44 plus 3.5, which is equal to 3.06. That is the correct answer. Okay, so this is how we have done these questions. So now here we end this chapter discussion. We have worked out all the questions of various exercises, and you just practice it well and claim all the marks in the board examination. I wish each one of you all the very best. Thank you so much.